Design your own life. A success is not about copying others, it's about building the life you want and living it on your own terms. As the saying goes, follow someone's path, and your steps may vanish with theirs. Unlike animals, humans have the gift of choice. We must value that and realize its power. You can choose to do everything or nothing at all. It's your life, and you're responsible for it. If you keep this in mind, you'll succeed. But don't forget the true meaning of success. The meaning of success. A success isn't a Ferrari, a fancy house, or money. It's achieving your own personal goals and being content with the result. If someone chooses to retreat into the mountains and live in harmony with nature, and makes it work, that's success too. To achieve real success, you must choose the right path. Not out of envy or admiration, but by understanding which road brings you true happiness. Balance is key. A life is a balancing act. Work, family, and personal life must all align in harmony. You can have a successful career and a happy family if you manage your time wisely. Use time effectively. Time is equal for everyone. Both the rich and the poor have 24 hours a day. The difference is in how we use it. Working smarter can make one productive hour worth 10. Either you run the day, or the day runs you. Learn to distinguish between major and minor tasks. Spend major time on major tasks, and minor time on the small stuff. Everyone has enough time. It's about what you do with it. Master focus and learn to say, no. Be present wherever you are. If you're at the dinner table with your family, give them your full attention. Don't say yes to everything. That can lead to burnout. Work at work. Rest while resting. Focus on work during work hours, and truly rest when it's time to relax. Don't mix work and personal life. Each deserves its own time and space. Analyze yourself. Know your strengths and weaknesses. Delegate tasks you struggle with instead of wasting time. Plan and think on paper. Keep a journal. Write down your thoughts and goals. It'll be a valuable resource later on. Use a separate notebook for each project to track your progress and next steps. Include your family in your plan. Your family wants to know, where do I fit in your life plan? If work takes time away from them, make an agreement and pay it back. Balance is everything.